Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am taking a little road trip today. It's a very small road trip to Tucson, Arizona. It's about 2 hours south of where my mom lives, and I just got on the road, so I thought I would take you with me. I'm by myself. Okay. Solo dolo today. I'm heading to Tucson's Botanical Gardens, so I thought I would take you along with me so we can, one, check out a little bit of scenery on the way there, because I hear it's a pretty scenic route. We'll see. And two, who doesn't want to see the Botanical Gardens in Tucson? If you've already been there, I've heard great things about their cacti area, and I hear they have an amazing exhibit for cactus. So I'm really excited about that because, as we all know, I love me some cacti. Okay, so this light takes forever. Insert Jeopardy song here. Okay, on the road. Okay, so I apologize in advance for all the vegetarians and vegans out there. Much respect. My daughter is a vegetarian. But road trips are just not road trips without beef jerky. Am I right? Am I right? Okay guys, I stopped at a monument area. I don't know what it is, but you're coming with me so I can document this in case something happens to me. I'm in the middle of nowhere, so let's just see what it is. I'm just worried I'm gonna run into like a scorpion or a tarantula or something. It's at a monument. Where's the monument? Well, maybe this is it. Let's check it out. Look at how serene it is out here. It's like 95 degrees. It's really pretty. Let's see what this is. In loving memory of Tom Mix. Huh. Very cool. 1940. That's kind of cool. Okay, now before I get murdered, back on the road. Quick pit stop. That's what I do, guys. That's what I do. So pretty. Just made it to Tucson Botanical Gardens. Yay. So when I looked up this place, I was like, oh yeah, it's a botanical garden. It'll be indoors. Hello, Nicole, you're in Arizona. Why would it be indoors? And I forgot to put on sunblock. So that's fun. But this place looks amazing. So let's check it out.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down heart tonight. Yeah. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by.
This is the cutest area. I just want this to be my backyard. It's really hot. I'm looking at a wasp that looks like the size of a bird. What'd I get myself into? Like, I don't even want to move because he's right there. Ugh. I didn't even like want to film him because I didn't want him to get mad at me and come sting me. It's hot. My phone is making weird things. I can't even function right now, guys. I'm telling you, I am not a desert girl. I thought that it was super cute in there. I think it would be an amazing place to visit in December, you know, when it's like 60 or 70 degrees out as opposed to 95. But there were a lot of shaded paths and a lot of pretty cool stuff. Not a lot of tropical stuff, as you can imagine, because we're in the middle of the desert, but their desert area was on point, no pun intended, and that's pretty much what I came for. So I'm happy. I love this place. I got a couple little cute things for my kiddos, little buttons, and I got myself a magnet because I'm a magnet collector and I'm a shot glass collector, and I don't even really drink, but I got a magnet for my fridge because I like to get one every state I go or town I go if I'm at a gift shop or whatever. So let me show you those. Okay, I got these super cute little buttons for my kids. It's a little cactus. Cute. Oh my god, I look like a sweaty beast, guys. Here's another like multi-cat cactus. And be kind. This is cute little Tucson, Arizona magnet. Isn't it cute? Hang that on my whiteboard. Okay guys, thank you so much for traveling down to Tucson with me. I had a great time here. Sorry, I'm out of it. I'm really tired because it's hot and I'm hoping that I didn't get sunburned. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel. I love all things planty. I'm currently traveling right now, but not all my videos are on travel. I do like to do repotting, shop with me, plant tours of my house. So be sure to subscribe if you're into all that fun stuff. And this is not my last venture here in Tucson. I came down here for another specific reason, which will be in my next video, which I can't wait to show you guys. I'm meeting up with another plant YouTuber that most of you know, I believe. And if you don't, you should. So stay tuned for that one in the next couple of days. I'll see you in my next one, guys.
Windows open with the wind blowing in my hair.